Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the EdTech Explorer. My name is Romeo, your Google Workspace for Education Certified Trainer from the Philippines. Ayan, and if it's your first time here to our channel, welcome. Ayan, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll know our latest events and videos. Ayan, and of course po, meron din po kaming Facebook page called the EdTech Explorer. Ayan. So make sure to like and follow us as well, ha? So you'll always be updated. Ayan. So maraming salamat po in advance. Ayan. Okay. So let's talk about Gmail. Alright. So Gmail is one of the, I believe, one of the most utilized Google Workspace tools. No? Kasi we always send emails or we always communicate to our colleagues, to our students. No? So highly utilized si Gmail natin. Now, sometimes, meron tayong mga certain emails. Okay, certain emails na halos pare-pareho lang yung mga content niya, and then ang pinagkakaiba na lang is yung name ng person or yung dates or yung average or something like that. So, meron lang tayong certain details na pinapalitan. Okay? So, probably some of you are tinatype pa natin ang lahat ng mga ang ating content, or it's either we just copy and paste it. Okay, so one of the things that we can actually use in one of the features in Gmail is actually we can create a template. Okay, we can actually create a template in Gmail. So how do we locate the template? Okay, so all you have to do once you have your new window or your new message window enabled, all you have to do is just to look for these more options here, yung tatlong dots na yan. You can click on that, left click, and you can look for the word template here. And currently, wala tayong nakikitang template or the word template here. Pag ganun po nakita natin, ibig sabihin, the template feature of our Gmail is disabled. Okay? Hindi pa po siya naka-enable. No? So, hindi pa po siya active. So, how do we activate this feature in our Gmail account? Alright, so in order for us to activate that, okay, so let me just close this one. All you have to do is just to go to the settings or to this gear icon here. And now, just a trivia, no? Most of the hidden treasures or best features of our application are usually in the settings area, no? Of the application. So, kailangan lang po natin i-explore yan para pwede po natin siyang ma-activate po natin yung mga hidden features ng ating mga applications. Okay? So, for Gmail, nandito po siya sa ating settings. So, let me just click on that. This settings here, the gear icon, left click on that. And we click on See All Settings. Okay? So, left click on that. And it will bring us to the settings page. Now, to activate the template, all you have to do is to look for this advanced tab here. Okay, so left click on the advanced tab and look for the word templates. Okay, so ito po yun. And currently, it's disabled as you can see. So, kailangan lang natin, we just click enable. And once we click on that, we click Save Changes. Alright, it's important that we click the Save Changes. Once you click on that, it will bring us back to the inbox or to the main page of our Gmail. And we can already start checking, or we can start composing. So let's just click the Compose button here to create, enable the new message window here. And remember po kanina, sabi ko, makikita natin yung word template dito sa more options. Okay, so we can click on that, left click, and ito na po, meron na po tayong templates. Okay, so once we have this, we can actually use the template, as you can see here, or save the template, or delete a template. Now, create muna po tayo ng template. Alright, so once we create a template, and or kahit gumawa lang po tayo ng email, it's a good practice that we include a subject, no? A descriptive subject sa ating email. So, ano bang purpose niyan? It will allow the receiver to have an idea, okay, kung ano yung content ng email na yon. Now, this is very, very important, especially when you are attaching a certain file. Okay? Because as we know, sometimes ang mga virus ay pwede nating ma-attach sa ating email. Okay? So we have to be careful when we download or when we click a link in our emails kasi minsan virus po yan. So, in order to avoid that and to ensure the receiver that that email is legit, no? Or especially pag meron tayong mga attachment, it will be best if we type a subject. Okay? So from there, type po natin, okay? Demo of template. Ayan. And of course, we can type type our message here. Dear participant, okay? Welcome to the EdTech Explorer. Ayan. So for example, that's the message that you want to send, no? Okay? So once you have this, all you have to do is just to go to this more options here, left click on that and click templates and click save draft as template and click save as new template. Click on that. And you can enter a new template name here. Okay, so for example, welcome email. Right. So for example, yan po yung ating name ng template natin. And just click save. Yan. So automatic na po yung naka-save. So how to use that? Let's delete this one first. Disregard this draft. And let me compose another one. Okay. And this time, let's use the template. So, click again on this more options. Left click. We go to templates. And then, we click the name of the template. No? So, for this instance, we will use the welcome email. So, left click on that. Ayan. So, the message earlier, no, that we created is already here. Okay? So, that's how fast it is to use a template in Gmail, no? And then once you have used that, we can just simply change certain details, okay, so that the email will be more appropriate dun sa recipient niya. Okay, so pwede lang natin siyang i-update later. So that's why magandang gamitin ang templates, no? You don't have to type everything from scratch, but once you use the template, all you have to do is to activate it and just change the necessary details. Now, if you want to delete some templates, same procedure. We go to the these three dots here. So more options. We go to templates and we go to delete template, and then we click the name of the template that we wish to delete. Click on that. And then confirm, and that's it. The template is already deleted. Okay, so that's how we can use the template feature of our Gmail. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the EdTech Explorer. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!